What's going on, guys? It's your boy Appa. This is a different type of style of video. If you actually watch my content, you will see I never hold the camera like this. I never do it like I'm vlogging. But in this video, I thought I would show you the supplements that I take as a natural lifter. I know that sounds contradicting. It's really more vitamins and supplements. These are all natural. Anybody can go in the pharmacy, their local supplement store, they'll find it. Simple stuff. But yeah, let's get into it. So this is one of the ones I take. It's a zinc and vitamin C supplement. As you see right here, it says supports healthy immune function. Wow. But yeah, I just thought this is useful. And those are both very helpful for keeping your body, you know what I'm saying, just in shape, feeling good, all that. So yeah, I take it. Also known to boost testosterone naturally, so hey, might as well. The next one is one that's very important, especially right now. It doesn't look like it because the sun is out, but vitamin D3. It's getting colder, which means less time in the sun. So I'm getting one of these at least a day. Just helps keep the mental there. Make sure I'm getting enough vitamin D. Very important. Also, again, for your testosterone. Next one, ashwagandha. Lowers your stress. It's very crucial. I think we all know what it does. This one's actually empty, so I gotta get a new one. But yeah, ashwagandha. Very, very helpful. And the next two, because I only take two more, are very useful because I'm someone who struggles to fall asleep. So magnesium, not only does it help with my mental clarity, but by taking this at night, it just helps everything ease down. And L-Theanine, anti-stress, anti-anxiety. Take it right before going to bed. All those thoughts that be spiraling, they stop. So yeah, that's all I really take. Thought I would show you guys that just so you guys understand that you really don't gotta take that much when you just boom, go through your day, you just work out. And yeah, it's a different type of stuff. I don't know why it's kind of fun holding like this. I get why people vlog now. But yeah, see you guys in the next one.